Let's go to Disney, Disney, see Mickey, Minnie, walk down Main Street wearing all our pins.
We're gonna go ride the train for the first time. This first time for him in 4 years. Yay! I'm so excited. They literally got rid of the train right before I came down. You excited?
Yeah.
Is this your first time riding it? No, you've already read it?
What are you talking about now?
Yeah, like,
Since it's reopened?
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was asking. I know you've read it before. I'm so excited. Also, look at my new ears my baby surprised me with. They're snow globes!
There was a time not so long ago that I was just a young girl. Anything is possible.
All clear again, please remain seated.
We're at Frontierland, right? Frontierland Station.
Remain seated.
I've been in that building.
Inside the train, please remain seated.
It's the place. There, the trains have a
It's
mind
down
of their
too.
own.
No!
Refurbishment.
What? That's a
Like
good
3
ride. I don't know why nobody was on it.
Snake.
A sneak peek.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. But I'm still awed by the rockets and spaceport service.
Area. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible.
Tron, it cuts out the audio, plays the music, and then as you hear my last clip, Tron stuff. I don't know too much about Tron. I know it's coming out soon, it's gonna open. This one will not stop talking about it. The moment they do the cast member preview, he gets to ride the ride, I'm probably gonna be here. And he's probably gonna be beaming with excitement to tell me every detail. Yeah, I'm excited for him too. And then when it gets released in public, I will be there. I'm excited.
April 4th.
April 4th they're releasing it? Nice. How many days?
77.
This man's counting them down.
They have a timer.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, cool. It's a beautiful day. It's very peaceful right now. So pretty. The train's going on!
This absolute child is crying because Mickey and all the characters she saw on the float. Come on, come on.
Be nice. It's Shakespeare. My heart. I love you. Don't run away from my love. He actually disappeared. I'm looking for the man. I cannot find him. But no, Jack Sparrow, if you are ever magically watching this video, you can run behind me and scare me all you want, and I promise I will thank you. I will give you the biggest hug ever. I've never seen a face character. Well, no, actually I have seen it. I've never seen him before on the ride, like the parks around. He walked right up to somebody and scared the life out of this woman. It was great. T-Rex has told me that's an area you could sit at. And obviously I have no clue. But maybe I'll guess where we're going. Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, so this, he tells me this is where he goes all the time. I've heard that sentence 3 times so far, people. This is where T-Rex told me to come look one time and he scared me. Jerk face. Skeletons playing around the chest. Now, let's see how many times he points something out during the ride. I don't think I'm not filming the ride.
I'm not actually used to being into like the lights off.
See,
I'm actually not.
I told y'all he works pirates. This is what a glimpse of it's like dating a cast member / person that works for a theme park. This is one of my favorite rides, actually. I love this ride. Look how pretty. Outside of Pirates, you can come in with your park ticket or annual pass, and you can. Where do we scan it? Right here.
Press English. You did not. 2.
Congratulations. You want to scan one more time? It'll be a little surprise for you.
King's Ransom.
And then you get that. And then we asked the guy, and the guy was very nice and gave us one of these. Let's do this.
Yes, it is quite a lovely hourglass. Alas, it is not treasure. What's this? A piece of paper on the side. Quickly now, study that symbol. You are looking for the mark of the lion on your map. Sorry?
Mark of the lion. It's smoky back here. We're going to Tyler's real quick.
You seek the treasure of the Pacific? I will show you where it rests. But beware, dangerous men lurk nearby.
No, you savages!
That is so cool.
This time, look closely at my necklace. Search your map for the magical mark of a mask. There you will speak to the pirate who has come before you.
Fortress wall, ready the cannon.
Up there.
Fuego!
Oh. It's bright. Where do I go now?
Shit, you will not even think to look next to my helmet. Now you will never know that the treasure can be found at the magical...
Start with beyond lies. I can show ye where to find it. Hold the anchor. Hurry! Who's hiding behind that mask?
Thank you kindly, scurvy dog.
I actually don't know what this one does.
The clock does not seem to contain Calypso's treasure. But I have found this. The treasure must be the legendary sword.
I got a sword!
Look closely, crew. There, at the base of the clock.
Now you're
Find the magical mark of the pirate ship on your map and use your talisman.
There you go. I think.
Treasure of the Arctic. Any aid to help dispose of some particularly... With your assistance, I'm well on my way to finding all of Calypso's treasures.
First time going to Haunted Mansion for this year. I could not be more excited. This is my favorite ride. And I like to say I ride it every time I come to Magic, but that's not always in the stars for me. But I did ride this for my birthday. If I'm here for my birthday, I'm riding it. At least once. First time seeing the 50th anniversary castle this year. Let's walk through it. Is this Cinderella's castle? Shoot. The bippity boppity boo. I want to get a picture of their costume. So pretty. Kind of hard to see. It's so bright up here.